Back to Savvy Serena. Today I've got a grocery haul from Walmart mainly, and then I got one item from Dollar Tree. If this is something that you would like to continue seeing week after week, let me know and with a thumbs up or a comment below so I know to keep doing these type of videos. We'll start out with Dollar Tree. This is the only thing I bought at Dollar Tree was the coffee. It's breakfast blend. They also have a vanilla blend coffee. For me, I make a pot of coffee. I don't use the K-cups. And so for this, since I drank a pot, this works out a whole lot better. But I do like the breakfast blend better. I just don't like a strong coffee. That was from Dollar Tree. The rest of this was from Walmart. I got some ramen noodles. My husband likes to eat these in his lunch. We got some ruffled potato chips because I'm going to make a dip. And I'm not sure what the difference is between the red bag and the blue bag. If y'all know the difference, let me know, because me and my husband couldn't figure it out. So he decided to get each just to see if there was a difference. So let me know if there's a difference between those two. I got some ground turkey. It says Italian style ground turkey. I don't know. I got 2 of those. So that's 2 pounds. I got some chicken patties for a quick dinner for this week with some tater tots. My husband loves the French vanilla coffee, so I bought him some of those, which actually he's already opened up. I got some Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice for a crock pot recipe that's coming up that y'all are going to see. I got a couple of cans of diced tomatoes. My husband loves these salad top ranch dressing, which he likes on a salad. Garlic powder. I found this is a whole lot better. Well, it's cheaper, not better. It's cheaper than Dollar Tree, so I started buying the Walmart brand Great Value for like 98 cents. Bought some mushrooms for a recipe, an onion, some sour cream to make my dip with, salad mix, tomato, and bread. I actually bought 2 loaves of bread, but I only pulled 1 out. So that is to this week's grocery haul. Y'all come back now. Y'all here?